What is the process of recovering my old phone number?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be walking through a common query. How can I recover my old phone number? This might be necessary if you've switched carriers, lost your phone, or accidentally let your number lapse. Don't worry, it might be simpler than you think. Let's dive in.
Can you recover your old number?
Before we start, it's crucial to understand that recovering an old phone number isn't always possible. Numbers that have been inactive for a long time, or have been reassigned to someone else, cannot be recovered. However, if the number is still available, your carrier should be able to assist you.
Contacting your carrier.
The first step to recovering your old phone number is to contact your service provider. This can be done by calling their customer service line, visiting their website, or walking into one of their physical locations. You need to explain your situation and request that your old number be reinstated.
Providing necessary information.
To confirm your identity and verify your claim to the old number, you'll likely need to provide some information. This usually includes your name, your social security number, your date of birth, and the address associated with the old phone number. Always ensure you're communicating this sensitive information securely.
Paying potential fees.
Be prepared to potentially pay a fee to recover your old phone number. Service providers may charge for this service, and the cost can vary. Make sure you understand any charges involved before you agree to the recovery process.
Waiting for the recovery process.
After providing all the necessary information and agreeing to any fees, you must wait for the recovery process to complete. The duration varies from carrier to carrier. In some cases, it could be immediate, while other times it may take a few days. And there you have it. That's your step-by-step guide to recovering your old phone number. It's essential to understand that success is not guaranteed. It largely depends on whether the number is still available and on your carrier's policies. Remember to always verify your need to recover the old number against the potential costs and time involved. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this video has been helpful.